Hello and welcome to question 3 exam style questions. Now, just to be clear with this is part A type question, part A, which means no calculator. So, a cycling competition, several heats of 1,000 meters. The times taken for a cyclist to complete 1,000 meters were normally distributed. That's important, so it's normal. We've got a mean of 180 and we've got a standard deviation of 10 seconds. So we'll write that down. Mean equals 180, standard deviation equals 10. So we'll graph our normal distribution curve. We should always do this. Because there's no calculator, we're going to use the empirical rule. So this here is 180, add another 10, 190, add another 10, 200, and add a third and final 10, which is 210. Take away 10 each time here, 160, 150. And we've got our 3 standard deviations this way, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 left and right of the mean, which is 180. Now, once we do that, what we want to do is find the percentage of cyclists that took more than 200 seconds. So we could say 200 here. Now, we should know already from previously when we did this, that we split this up and this bottom end is 0.15%. This here is 2.35%. This here is 13.5%. And this here is 34%. And it's the same for these sides. That's 35. They're symmetrical. And this area is the same as this area, which is 13.5. And this one's the same as this one. And this one's the same as this one. And if you keep writing these, you remember it. So we want to know more than 200 seconds. So 200 seconds here, more is this area. That's this number plus this number. So it took more. That's 2.35% plus the 0.15%, which equals 2.5%. So 2.5% of people took longer than 200 seconds to do the race. Now, obviously, the further up your this side of the tail, the better you're doing because time is shorter and you're going faster. Now, part two. Now, what we want to do here, part 2, is we've got the top 2.5% of cyclists, the fastest times, qualified for the race. Calculate the maximum time a cyclist could have and still qualify the final correct to the nearest decimal. So the top 2.5 qualify. So that is up this side here of it, isn't it? So we know, as I said beforehand, this area is the same as this area. So that is also 0.15, and this here area here is 2.35. And what do you know? These two add up to 2.5%. So it's this two area here. And when you see that, that number is what we're looking for. And that's 160. If you can see it through my bad handwriting, 160. So if you can cycle faster than 160, you will qualify for the final. So it's 160 seconds. 160 seconds is the minimum speed you can go. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.